Hey Alice. Alright, so I just wanted to make a quick video to go over, so I left you with some stuff about the starting sections, but I just wanted to go over something very specific. So these parts, um, so first of all, everything should have a blurb like this with the correct link. This should be, to read the review, this should be worked in somewhere here. There should be several links. So there should be a link here to the affiliate link. There should be an image also with the affiliate link. The affiliate link should be embedded into the first mention of the service, and it should be here. But more importantly, oh, sorry. So I'm going in the check thing now. Alright, so basically, I want you to have this file side by side when you're writing this section, right? So, and literally you don't have to make too much up. So here, you together mention encryption and no logging, which are related, but they're really not the same thing, right? So and like, there's a 3-line sentence here. So the more sensible way to mention this would be to say like, the service uses 256-bit AES encryption, which is virtually unbreakable. Full stop. You could say encryption protocols include UDP, TCP, SSTP, and others. ExpressVPN's zero logging policy means they don't store your records, and therefore can't release them to the government or third parties, including not online hackers. Hackers are usually online, so you don't have to say that. Also, some hackers are good, like some people hire hackers to test their security. So you would say, including cyber criminals, right? So, anyway, this is better than the previous one. Just talk how you speak and stick to the USB script, right? The reason ExpressVPN dwarfs its competitors, well, it doesn't dwarf its competitors. And just don't mention the competitors too much. Just focus on the service. You could say another reason that ExpressVPN is so popular is its excellent speed, right? And then here, the app has a built-in speed test, which helps you make sure that you're not losing any download speed when you're using it. There's also no speed cap or throttling, meaning that you can go as quickly as your internet connection lets you, right? And just like that, it's 2 sentences which are very true, right? They're here, and instantly it's a lot better, because this is like your opinion, that it dwarfs over competitors and the speed of the connection is not compromised. Well, no, okay, this is not your opinion. Oh, there, like impressive security. This should be at a minimum, dwarfing over competitors and having impressive security. People, like, it should be 50-50. You should say, like, ExpressVPN is one of the most popular services on the market because its speed is as excellent as its security, and then move over to talk to your speed, right? And mention the benefits. So what does great speed mean? Well, it means that you can download files quickly and stream videos and music with no buffering time. Just stuff like that. Overall, again, I just want to stress, I think it's a really great first effort. And, like, I'll personally go over this to make sure it's 100% right. But for now, you have more than enough to go on. So write these up, hopefully before tomorrow, like midday, and send them over.